Okay, so this is a little run through of what's in my course, guys. Um, so just get straight to it. I show you the basics of running a diabetic supplies flipping business, right? What supplies to buy, what not to buy, how to structure your business properly, how to store, sell contacts, track purchases, daily schedule to follow. Very important because a lot of you guys, um, we sometimes need help to get out of our own way, so we don't know how to structure a business as far as marketing and what schedule we should follow when it comes to marketing, right? How many times should we go out there a week? What should we be doing? Should we be doing it online marketing? Should we be doing offline marketing? How to structure those things as far as having a daily schedule and getting that stuff out there consistently. What condition to buy the supplies, right? What condition the supplies need to be in, very important, right? Because we're not buying damaged supplies, and damage can mean a lot of different things. So you need someone to help you with that, right? You don't want to go out there and spend a whole bunch of money on supplies that are all damaged and then send it to the buyer. Buyer sends it back to you and says he can't buy them, right? Um, 15 different ways to market this business locally, nationally. Um, I show you that, right? Tons of ways to market this business. Every single one of them work, right? How to carve out your marketing territory, right? And that's for outbound marketing. Where to put marketing at in your city, and stuff like that. Who the buyers are. I give you access to the buyers, all of the buyers. I'm in all of these different courses, right? I'm still a sponge to this business. I still buy courses to learn stuff, to learn more. And I notice a lot of courses, probably all of the courses, they're not giving you all of the buyers from my experience. I know, and I know about, I have access to about thousands of students in other courses, and they don't have all the buyers. So you get all the buyers with me. How to get supplies to the buyers properly and get paid, right? How to pack that stuff up, how to invoice correctly and get paid by the buyer. I show you that. I give you all the major players in the industry, people who are doing the business, killing it, what they're doing, and stuff like that, so you can mimic what they're doing, right? And fast forward your success. You get access to, my all-in-one CRM and phone system. I show you how I put that together. It's the best CRM and phone system in the industry. There's no one that has a CRM and a phone system that's tied together like I do. I haven't seen it yet. Um, Lifetime updates with me. In my course, you get lifetime updates. You always have your pulse on the industry, what's working, what's not working. Um, Access, obviously, to a private mastermind group. So I'll connect you with different students and stuff like that. Um, Advanced strategies, guys. How to run this business nationally using mail kits, how to market this business online, locally, and nationally using, Facebook, Instagram, SEO, and other internet platforms. How to hire staff locally and nationally to run the business for you, including all the documents to manage the entire process. How to build a website like the major players so you can have sellers contact you through a simple internet search. Get access to done for you services when it comes to building websites and running paid ads. So you're not, so if you don't know how to navigate Facebook and the back office of Facebook and all these different ad platforms, I give you someone who can set it up for you, right? Fast forward your success in that way. I have some special things like how to clean your personal credit, how to build business credit. I give you access to business loans without any credit checks so you can have more capital to build your business. How to obtain a company car and manage that. How to obtain an office space and manage it. And I show you some resources on how to file taxes for the business, and stuff like that. I'm not a tax professional, but I could point you in the right direction with people who could help you with that stuff. Um, and obviously, you have access to me, which is worth a lot of money because my time is very valuable. I'm running my business still. I'm not here selling you a course and I'm done running the business and stuff like that. Um, I, I I love helping people, so this just comes second nature to me when it comes to helping people. So you know, um, you'll have me as a mentor. I answer real time. You text me, call me, I answer. I have not had one complaint yet from anyone. I actually have people tell me, man, I can't believe you're still answering this fast 3, 4 months later, 5 months later. So I do answer, and I tell all students to use me as much as possible. Every single little question, everything that you're thinking about when it comes to this business in your mind, don't just go out there and just try to do it yourself. Come to me, let me know what you're thinking when it comes to marketing, structuring the business, dealing with sellers, dealing with certain supplies, dealing with buyers. I've been through it all. I've been through so much trial and error in this business. Just come and ask me, and I will let you know. If you're a student, ask me, and then you might be like, "Oh, okay, it's more simpler than I thought." I shouldn't go that. I shouldn't go that route because of X, Y, and Z. So I should go this route. So I've been through it all. I've seen everything. There's not going to be one thing you're going to come to me and that I have not seen. I've been on thousands of pickups from sellers. I've been on thousands of calls with sellers. I've had sent off hundreds of invoices. I've done tons of different marketing and marketing strategies. So contact me. The price isn't here. I like to get on the phone with people and talk to them about the business because there's so many questions you guys are going to have. Um, you need to get on the phone with me so I can answer those questions. And I take phone calls not to try to sell you, but to more so make you understand the business and see if it's a good fit for you. And then we could talk about whether you want to move forward or not. If you don't want to move forward, that's totally, totally fine with me. But I would love to get on the phone with you guys and to talk about the business. So don't feel pressured that, oh, I get on this call, it's going to be a salesy call, and these people won't let me hang up until I say I'm going to buy their course. Because trust me, I've been through that, been down that rabbit hole with other businesses where I wanted to buy courses, and after a while you don't even want to get on the phone with these people because they just won't take no for an answer. You know what I mean? Or the phone call is going to be very fast and stuff like that. They're just trying to run through the call. They got 10 minutes, 20 minutes to only be on the phone with you. There's people I've been on the phone with for 2 hours, right? Just because I like talking about the business, it comes second nature to me. So guys, click the link below in the description box. So you know, you can book a call with me, or I think this might be a phone number down there too. You can just text me and just say, "Hey, Eric, can we get on a call?" And I'll jump on a call with you. All right.